What's up, everybody? Neal Nsheppard, Real Deal Neal, Willies, Custom Accessories, Akins Ford. Another diamond behind us on 26 Forges. You know we do it big. We've got a King Ranch Reserve Edition. Oh my gosh, this truck is incredible, y'all. Just a...
What is this, Mr. Neal?
What, Joey?
What is this?
What in the world? If this is Jesse, I'm gonna kill him. I swear, if this is Jesse Cash, it's Jesse. Jesse, what are you doing, dude? I'm trying to shoot this video. You always trying to ruin my video.
Well, I figured 2 is always better than 1.
Yeah.
I brought this one to the show.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir.
Hey, by the way, we filming 2 bad boys. Why are you filming in Vapor Maxes?
Oh, no.
Come on.
He done called me out, y'all.
Come on.
Let's fix this. Much better. Got the South Beach LeBrons back from 2008. Had to bring them out. Told you I was for 2 special ones. Is this pretty good?
Oh yeah, it's nasty.
Very good?
A lot better. Come on now.
Roll that footage. Y'all, thanks so much for watching today. This is one to stay tuned for because we have 26 inches, nothing less. You know, 26 inches make it sit up like a truck. Woo! And they're Forgiatos too. So today we have Chrome Special and then a Midnight King Ranch. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is the debate. Which do you prefer? Do you like the chrome polished wheel or do you like the black on black Midnight? You're going to decide today. All right, we got Joey with Willies. If you send leads in to us about these beautiful trucks or any accessories, good chance you're going to be talking with Joey at some point in the process. So putting a face with a name, Joey's got you covered, guys. Let's get right to it. So we're going to start with the Star White because Joey initially picked the black on black. And he said the sunlight is making this Star White just pop, looking so killer. So up front, y'all, we wanted to keep the chrome and Star White theme going. So we removed all of the black texture inside the back part of this grille. We kept the chrome bars there, and this was chrome all the way around the perimeter. Got rid of the chrome, did Star White. This here as well was textured black. So we wanted to make it look as luxurious as it possibly could. So this is the way to do it. Painting your backer plate as well as these side pockets, and then the custom emblem. The 450 emblem is bigger than any other emblem, so that really is a special way to do it, doing the blue to Star White, and then even the texture removal on the backer plate as well as your border perimeter there. That is next level, and that's what we're all about right here at Akins, y'all. So stunning. Inside the headlight, you notate that the chrome we kept, but the inner portions here, we did Star White around the LED signature lighting. We removed the amber side marker there as well as the amber marker behind the backlay there. So that is just truly unbelievable. Makes a huge difference in the overall appearance of your truck. And you see the truck come down the road from the front, so you got to have the front end looking legit. We removed all of the amber and did clear side markers, clear clearance lights and side markers on your hip down there as well. Joey, let's come to this side where the lighting's better. I'm with you, man. This side is where it's at. The Star White bumper, we also trimmed this pesky valance. So you can show on the 450, our customer Ryan likes the valance, so we left his textured in the full length. And then here on the Reserve Edition, we did trimmed it and actually removed texture into the Star White. That really cleans the truck up, especially on a white truck like this. Now, to make me break out the LeBrons, the 4Gs, man. I mean, I don't have nothing else to say about the Milano 4G autos. We did the 4GF in the Star White to truly cap it off, because that right there really just was a subtle touch that makes a big difference. We're on Fury, Country Hunter, 37, 13.5, 26 mud terrain tires. We've got a ready lift coil spring level kit. Yeah, it's just a level kit. And we got Fox shocks front and rear, as well as a Fox steer stabilizer up front. So this video is most important for you guys because we're showing the differences between a leveled 450 on 26s. 26s. Then we have a Striker 4-inch lifted F450 on 26s, y'all. The reason why I get so excited about the 6s is the 450 scene. You can roll with 20s. Most of the time we see F450 action with 20s from the aftermarket side when you're doing like a cattle inspired themed truck, or putting a flatbed on a truck, or just want a very mild vehicle overall as far as the appearance. But ride quality is really good with a 20-inch wheel with a lot of tire. 22 is probably one of our most comparable balanced size of 37s with 22s. Is a great fit as far as the looks and the ride quality and overall performance. But let's be honest, y'all. Let's be honest. 24s are the standard, and 26s is just next level. You know what I mean? So we're next level right here at Akins, real deal. It's hot out here, but I'm trying to hang in there, y'all. So we've got the 26 Milanos in the polish, a true directional wheel, really caps it off. And you don't have to be in Miami to roll with 26s, and you don't have to be a farmer to roll with the 20s. You can be a farmer and roll with the 6s. We have many customers that haul horse trailers, 44-foot campers on 26s galore. So don't be scared, y'all. If you're wanting to go big boy status with your wheel and tire combo, we're the experts here at Wild Willies, and we know what works and what doesn't work. We've got great customers that are on the road daily driving these trucks on all different wheel sizes. Now, I will say, if you want to go to 28s and 37s, that's probably where I would be a little bit concerned. But the 6s, I know for sure our customers are rocking and rolling with a lot of weight behind these, so let's get after it. So coming down the side, this side badge, for some reason, a pesky texture black component behind that. We removed the texture, did Star White in the platinum lettering surround. Truly next level. These mirrors, for some reason, they're texture black with a chrome cap. Removed all the texture, did Star White throughout. Just truly makes it look so much more premium. It is more premium now, y'all. It is. Reserve Edition, baby. Coming down the side, we kept the chrome door handles. Took away the FX4. Now, we were spending so much time, Joey, up front, that this rear 26-inch deep dish is where it's really all at. We got the 4G Auto F done up right in Star White. Nice big tires out back, 13.5 wide, just a very aggressive wide stance, but that deep dish on the 4Gs just looks, ooh, ooh. Now, you know, I'm all about the rear end, you know. I'm all about this booty back here. This right here is where it is all at. Now, I'm trying not to look at this truck over here. The truck next to us that we're getting to next, it's all there too, I promise you. But showing you some distinct differences. How clean is this? How clean is this? My man Ed Needs was worried about his tailgate on his King Ranch. And I said, Ed, look, up in Ohio. I remember Ed Needs up in Ohio, by gosh. Remember that video? I hit the card above for that one. But we did full removal of that and did Star White, left the brushed aluminum on the Platinum and Super Duty in to match there. Now, our rigid SRQ rear bumper lights are great for nighttime visibility. We did Star White perimeter to match that. That's typically a texture black component, so that's a must. We've got a Retrax power retractable bed cover and an Akins spray and liner. Now, I don't know if you noticed this or not, but our tail lights, we also did a border perimeter paint on that because we want to remove some of the red, but not all of the red. So we did a border perimeter around the tail light just to truly cap it off. Tell me a rear, it looks better than that. I think that's incredible. Unless you like the black, and then we got right over here coming up next. Joey, let's show them our mild to wild scale. So our mild to wild scale we're not very aggressive, y'all. So the American Force dually with adapter kits for the 450 uses an adapter front and rear, so the offset or the stance is more aggressive simply because of the adapters. The Forgiatos, they're the pinnacle premier forged wheel option, so they offer it without adapters. So our mild to wild scale is, in our Richter scale, we're probably in the mid-level range. We're not too aggressive, but it's a great overall stance. Just looks perfect to me. It's not too far out, just enough. Now the interior of the Platinum is, I like to call it that city-inspired luxury, and then the King Ranch is more of the country-inspired luxury. That's the best way I can describe it. And Joey showed them the inside. Very fitting. You've got black leather with gray contrast piping down the middle, and a nice wine-colored stitching throughout. Just a very premium interior, like you would expect out of a reserve Akins Ford F450 Platinum. Now y'all, the biggest thing that we suffer from here at Akins and Wild Willies is they don't stick around for very long. Now, we already sold our Stormtrooper Expedition in 6 hours, and I almost shed a tear for that one. If this thing gets gone like I know it is too soon, I may have a meltdown. So I need to get away from this truck. So Joey, let's jump over here to the next one. So here we have Ryan Williams' beautiful Midnight F450 King Ranch Reserve Edition. Voila. What a beauty this is. Now, I would say that probably most people that we've dealt with in the past couple years would lean more towards the all black package than this. But this, y'all, this is still clean and classy. But the Midnight, just something special. It just hits different. So let's go over this one. Up front, so this headlight was not this way. It pretty much looked like this one. It was all chrome. So we removed all the chrome, did a gate black paint job, removed the turn signal marker there as well as your side marker, did black throughout, completely blacked out the whole grille. The back part, like on the white one, Joey, let's show them this part right here. This part we removed texture and did the other one white. We kept that one textured to have a nice contrast between your back plate, your body color, and then your texture components throughout. Also did black tow hooks, which is a must. You leave those chrome, it's just a not finished job. Did recon clearance lights, side markers throughout as well. Just a true Midnight Reserve. Coming down the road, get out the way. So coming around to the side, again, we're rolling on 26 inches. So we got the same wheel, so 26 Milano. This one does have true spike lug nuts. So Joey kind of show them both wheel. We got the wheel in black and we got the wheel in polished. So I guess I need to know now, y'all, what do you like? Do you like the polished Milano, or do you like the all black? And then do you like spike lug nuts or not spike lug nuts? We're on a Venom Power Terra Hunter XT 37, 13.5, 26 all-terrain tire. It's like a hybrid tire, so you got a true mud terrain on the white and like a hybrid all-terrain rendition on the Reserve. Now, as far as our lift kit components, we have a 4.5-inch Striker suspension lift kit. Striker, you probably see on a lot of special builds. Their components are notoriously known. We've got Fox shocks with reservoirs, and show them the radius arm. I mean, you can tell me, I know y'all have seen radius arms and different renditions of components from Striker. They're known for doing custom work galore. So just an overall great kit. We also do have a Striker dual stabilizer up front. Now, side badge, we kept the textured on the back part and did black on the F450, black on this portion here. A good balance of leaving texture components and keeping a gate black throughout. So you've got some texture black and gloss black to really fit a very nice theme. So left this textured, black cap up top, did your recon side marker obviously. Door handles were chrome, they went to black. Did the 6.7 Power Stroke black as well. This top piece here, wrapped vinyl, as well as your running board down here was also wrapped. That comes chrome. Coming around back, again, the same wheel, y'all. Joey, show them black and polished, same wheel, exactly. A rare occasion right here at Wild Willies at Akins. 26s, same style, black and white. All of our paint work on both of these vehicles was done by Austin Calhoun at High On Lumens, and for a long time we tried to plan it to where we could do lot vehicle builds, a black and a white, a yin and a yang, a chrome and a black, just to show you great followers of ours some different variations. And I want to hear the feedback from you guys on what you prefer, so please let us know in the comments below. But Austin, here we go, big dog. So coming around back, we also did a MBRP DPF back exhaust with a big boy 6-inch tip. That looks so sinister. Now I love our paint job on this tail light. Border perimeter, did black over the blind spot monitor, and nice subtleties of some definite details that really truly make it a custom one-off tail light. Gotta love that. Out back, this applique was a brushed aluminum, got rid of it completely, did a full blackout, as well as your side emblem there as well. Left the texture, did this component black, looking amazing. Got a bed liner and a toolbox out back. And then again, y'all, the mild to wild scale is the exact same. Just a less aggressive tire, but the wheel is identical. And of course, obviously the front, your spike lug nuts are sticking out slightly more, but a great overall balance and appearance between the two. Also did a third brake light up top in a blackout. Now on the inside of the King Ranch, the Country Luxury, we've got a nice contrast of like a terracotta brown and a darker brown. So King Ranch is still the pinnacle and just a different variation from the Platinum. So you know, you don't see as many King Ranches rolling around, so it's a special when you get a King Ranch rolling through here, especially all custom and done up. Gotta love that. So here's where I need your help. What do you prefer, y'all? So you can take a look at the 4.5-inch striker kit on 37s and 26s, and you can take a look at the Star White on just a level kit and 37s and 26s. So what I need to know today, guys, is do you like the height of the 4.5-inch kit first and foremost, or do you like the 2.5-inch leveled stance? So you can incorporate and fit the same wheel and tire combo, whether you're doing a 2.5-inch level kit or a 4.5-inch lift kit. So that's question number one. Question number two is, do you prefer the all black Midnight, or do you prefer the chrome and white Reserve Edition? They're both beautiful to me. If I had to pick, I'm 36, y'all. When I was 16, if you had black, you weren't down. So I'm probably going to go with the Star White. The Star White's just stunning, but I'll probably just take them both and drive one on the weekend and the other one during the weekday. How about that, y'all? And then the next thing, the black wheel or the polished wheel. And then obviously 26s or bigger or smaller. What do you prefer on that? That's all we got today, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video has brought you joy and maybe some more information on your future upcoming builds with us. Hopefully right here at Willies at Akins in Winder, Georgia. It sounds very country, and I talk very country too, but I'm actually pretty smart. So just know that I'm from Georgia, and that's just, I'm stuck with it. And you're stuck with listening to me if you love great trucks. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Peace.